Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2006 Toyota Prius. We're gonna be replacing the regular 12-volt car battery. Now, if your 12-volt battery is dead, you can't open the back. Let me show you. There's no way to open it here. And that's where we have to get to change out the battery. So let's go under the hood real quick. Under the hood, we're gonna open up our fuse box. You'll notice a little red cover here with a plus on it. We'll open that up. Now with our jumpers, or a battery charger, we'll put the red right there, and then we'll put our black right back here on this bolt. That's how we jump start these vehicles. All we need is just enough power to open our lift gate. That should be good. There we go. Now let's go to the back. All right, we should have enough power. There we go. That's all we need to do there. Now we can take our jumper cables off. Our 12-volt battery lives right here in this little corner. We'll pop this up and out. Also take our little tray out, just pull up. Then this little guy here. Let me zoom you in and you can see the battery. Right here is our battery. We're gonna remove this duct, take off our positive, negative battery terminals. There's a little hold down bracket, and then this little box comes out of the way. Not too bad. First thing we're gonna do is get this box out of the way. You have the option to unplug the electrical connectors, or you can leave them on. That's up to you. We have a 10 mil bolt up here and two 12 millimeter bolts down here. That'll move out just like that. We take our positive cable off. That's a 10 millimeter, lefty loosey, righty tighty, just like that. We'll wiggle this off. All this wiring can just be moved aside together. We have a 10 mil bolt for our duct. That should just slide off. There we go, and come out. Then we have two 10 millimeter bolts for our battery stay. This one is missing one down here, so we'll make sure we get one when we put it all back together. And then a 10 mil back here. We'll pull it all the way off. There we go, and this whole bracket can come out. Last but not least is our negative. And you can pull the negative off first or second. That's up to you. There we go, pop that off. Perfect. There's a little handle here. I'll drop in our new one. There we go. Get our battery stay. Now these have a little tube on them that you pop off of the old one, and it should just go on just like that on the new one. And we'll put it in this little hole here. It's just a little battery vent. There we go. Put our bracket on. Put that nut on. All right, got a new bolt for my missing one. Put that in like that. We'll snug these down. Don't want it too tight, just enough so the battery doesn't move around. Be a little snugger than that. All right, perfect. Put our negative cable on, snug that down. Again, not too tight, just enough so the cable doesn't move around on the terminal. So let's give it a wiggle test, nice and tight, great. Put our duct back in. There we go, like that. Put that bolt in. We'll put our whole box back on, just like that, and our positive terminal. Put that on, there we go. Sounds like we got stuff turning on. Sweet. Then we got these put back on. Snug that down. Not too tight, just good and snug. Sweet. Put this back in. Just like that. Move you around. Put our box back in. Put our lid on. Lock, and we're done. All right, that's it. Just a couple of tools and you can replace the battery yourself. It is important when you do purchase a new battery that it's an AGM battery and not a regular lead acid battery. Other than that, pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. See you on the next one.